might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you could take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. In the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Cause I'm trapped alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm trapped alone if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm trapped alone if you know what happiness is to you, yeah. Trapped alone if you feel like that's what you wanna do. Hi guys, I'm Vasco and today I'm going to show you how I'm playing Happy by Pharrell Williams. This is part of my Good Vibes ukulele cheat. This is a foldable thing that has 9 songs, this one, which you can print and have in your pocket always, and maybe even gift it to your friends, so when you're going to jam everybody knows the chorus of the song that you're about to play. But anyway, here we're doing, what was it? Yeah, Happy by Pharrell Williams. Let's see how to play this one. Alright, so I'll show you how to play the song 1/2 step lower than the original, because that way it's way easier on the ukulele. If you want to play along with the original recording, you can just use a capo and put it on the 1st fret and play with the same chords that I'm about to show you. But for this tutorial, we're not using the capo, so everybody can learn it even if you don't have one next to you. Alright, so the first chord we need is the chord of E7. The whole song is based around this chord, right? And also what is very important for this song is to be able to do the muted strums, because it's mostly a percussive song, right? It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. So to do the muted strums, I'm leaving my fingers on top of the strings without really pressing. Alright, something like that. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. And here we have something really cool. Let's first see the chords that are laid over here, and after that I'll show you the little pick that I'm doing. So here we have faster E7 to A7, right? Then to B7, back to A7, right? It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you could take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. In the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm... Alright, but before going to the next part, let's see the little pick that I'm doing. I'm coming a little bit closer to explain it to you, and also it will be very helpful if you're a member of the Ukulele Cheats website, where you have access to the interactive tabs, which you can slow down, play together with it, look it in front of you, and little by little speed up the tempo. That way I believe it's really the fastest way to learn anything that is a little bit above your comfort level of playing. So if you want to give it a try, but anyway, let me show you now a little bit closer what I'm playing exactly. Alright, so we start with E7, right? I'm doing one down strum on E7, and after that I'm muting here. I'm just leaving my fingers on top of the strings without really pressing, and I'm doing strum and then muted. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, right? It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Alright, and here I'm doing this. Playing the E7, then G string open, grabbing the A7, strumming down, and then again G string open, then grabbing B7, but here I'm doing an up strum because the melody is here on the G string, right? Then down strum, or just playing the A string, then G string open, playing the A7, and again G string open, right? So let's very slowly go through just the last 2 bars. Okay? Alright? It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you could take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. In the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm here the last 2, B7 to A7. I'm not really doing the plucking that much, I'm just strumming the chord. Because I'm... And we go to the next part. And for the next part, we're doing the chord of C major 7, right? To B minor 7, just barring on the 2nd fret, right? If you need help with the bar, just put the middle finger on top of it. Even if you don't really need help with the bar, I believe that that's easier way to play. You're using less energy and this will make your playing better. So give it a try. I usually play like this with 2 fingers bar, right? After that we have the chord of B7 suspended 4, right? Which is the same way you're grabbing B minor 7, but adding the ring finger on the 4th fret of the C string, right? And also, if that way is too hard for you, there is another way to grab this chord: G string 4th fret, C string 6th fret, and the rest of the strings open. This could be easier. It's all depending on which one is faster to move, because after that we have to grab E7, right? So give it a try to both options and decide for yourself which one is better. So C major 7 to B minor 7. I'm preferring this way of B7 suspended 4 back to E7, right? And the strumming I'm doing here is something like down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Notice that every second chord, the B minor 7 and the E7 are coming on the offbeat. If you're counting it, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Alright, this is some little detail that it's really cool if you can make it. So, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof, because I'm clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth, because I'm clap along if you know what happiness means to you, yeah. Clap along if you feel like that's what you wanna do. And we go to the next verse, right? With this. Alright, so basically you're going between these 2 parts, and then at some point there is this bridge for which there are no chords, they're just muted strums. Happy, 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 bring me down, bring me down, bring me down, because I'm clap along if you feel, right? So after that you go to the chorus again. And I guess this sums up my tutorial for Happy by Pharrell Williams. It's a really cool song, as well as all the rest of the songs from the Good Vibes Foldable Ukulele Cheats. 9 songs here, all of them spread the good energy. So download this thing for free from ukulelecheats.com, print it, share it with your friends, and everywhere you go you can jam something, give another copy to the bass player, for example, so he knows which chords you are playing. Pretty cool thing to have in you. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned with me. and I hope to see you on the next one. That's a lot of hopes. That's it. Goodbye.